I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more.
We have had a couple of drinks by the pool, and now we've had to get ready. And guys, it's so hot. I'm not sure if you can see, but I am sweating and I am wearing adult clothes. Full on adult clothes. Emma, look how nice Emma looks. Show them how nice you look.
Hi, look, I'm even wearing earrings and makeup.
We are feeling like real humans, which is really rare for us because we are always donning the backpacker look. But right now, as fully fledged adults wearing clothes, we're going to a wedding! Yeah! And I forgot that we might not be able to film that much because it's someone else's wedding, and I'm not really sure if that's appropriate, but we'll see.
Getting ready in their own separate rooms and everything. The view from here is absolutely phenomenal, and I think the sunset is going to be really, really nice for photos. But I'm thinking maybe we should say goodbye now, because I don't think it's going to be possible to actually film anymore tonight.
Guys, don't listen to her. We will never say goodbye to you. We did not end a video when it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't worry, we're carrying on. Okay,
well, you might see us later and we might be slightly more intoxicated than we are now.
That's the best kind of beans.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you?
The ceremony was amazing. It was so quiet and intimate and
we were there.
We were there, which was crazy, but we loved it. And they looked incredible, both of them, especially Amanda. She looked unbelievable. Her dress was fantastic. I'm not a big fan of wedding dresses either, so coming from me, it's really bloody nice dress. So now it's like sunset time, so we're having a bit of a sunset photo shoot. There's family people everywhere, there's friends, there's drones, so we're all doing a bit of a photo shoot right now because I don't know if you guys can see, but there is the most amazing sunset going on behind us. So I'm going to stop talking to you and start enjoying it.
So sunset is done, so we're making our way back now to the open bar. Get in, guys, this is the only reason we're here. We made friends with them, finally paying off. Free alcohol all night. Mark and Amanda, you're legends. Does this make you want to get married? I mean, we're engaged.
We have been engaged. For those of you who don't know, we've actually been engaged for about 4 years now, but we keep spending all our money on travel, so it's not going too well, the wedding planning.
Well, I kind of proposed, and even that night I said to her, I was like, if we get married.
So as with all like beautiful places that look like paradise, not everywhere looks like paradise. Right now, to walk back to their place, we actually have to walk through this kind of like rubble area. There's used plasters on the floor, bottles. I'm pretty sure someone said they saw a condom earlier.
I saw a token condom. There's always, in these kind of places that look like this, but this is what you got to do. If you want the shortcut, guys, you have to walk through shit, and that is one of my 3 rules in life, and I will not tell you the other 2. Time for a beer. And the beer was really, really tasty. It's the next day, the wedding is over, and it's time to check out.
The wedding was really, really nice. Everyone was super friendly. There was only probably about 25 people there, so it was really intimate and small, but we had such a wonderful time.
And because it was a bunch of Americans, Americans are just really friendly.
Yeah.
English people would never be that friendly to us.
They put us to shame, the Americans. They're so nice and so hospitable, and even though it was all family and close friends that known them for years and years, we felt perfectly comfortable and at home. So
apart from, weirdly, the YouTubers had their own little table for food, which was not the intention of Mark and Amanda. It's just the way that it worked out, and there was 4 seats separately, and there was 2 other YouTubers along with us. For the losers, subscribe to anyone, just someone. So we thought it would be very odd if we were to sit amongst the family and friends, and then some really important people had to sit to the side.
We felt too guilty to let the close friends and family go and sit on the side table, so we took one for the team and we moved over there.
And if you've seen Friends, we were like Ross with all the kids on the separate table. It was very, very awkward, but still we had such a good time. We would like to thank those guys so much for having us as part of their special day, and if you haven't seen them, check them out. Instagram,
the
YouTube.
NYC Couple, they're awesome.
But that is it for here at Secret Point Huts. We are now going to move to a different part of the island where we're going to a dive resort.
So now is time to say goodbye. It is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, put it in the box below. It's very easy.
And obviously, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell.
And gotta say goodbye to you new people. I always do this. It's always annoying. I'm always gonna say that I don't want to do it, but I do it anyway, and I scream in this nice tranquil place. Peace out.